Okay, so once you've installed Kicad, you can launch Kicad from your Windows application setup. This will launch your Kicad. So, assuming you're opening for the first time, you will see a blank window of this format. Okay, nothing will be there here. There are no project files available. These are the various options which are available in Kicad, which we'll explore these as we go through the semester. So the first step is to create a project file, new project. Select the first default KiCad, click on OK. Uh, you could name the project, let's say I call it as demo KiCad. This will open two options under the project. One is PCB's demo KiCad underscore PCB demo key underscore schematic. So first double click on the schematic SCH, which stands for schematic. This is where I can create the circuit first. So the first step is to create the circuit for which you want to build the PCB. So this is the window where we can build the schematic. So the sheet that you see here is where you are going to draw your circuit. On the right hand side are the options for various options for placing the components and making the connections. On the top is a normal file menu. On the left hand side, it will tell you the details of what component you select. So let's build a very basic circuit here. Let's say I place a symbol, click on this triangle here to place a symbol. It lists out all the possible symbols that are available here. So I will take a simple battery. So this is a battery cell. Okay, very basic. So I'll put a resistance. There is a resistor here. I'll take a resistor. If you want to rotate it, click R. It'll rotate it in the direction you want. I'll place it here and let me put one more resistance just for making a little bigger circuit. So I'll take the resistance R and I'll place it here. You can zoom in by scrolling in. It will zoom the circuit in. Now if I go to the edge of this component, it will become like a pencil, which is basically to make the connection. Or you can click on this draw wire option. That will also will make you a pencil to draw the wire. So I'll click on this edge, take the wire where I want. Let's say I want to connect it to this resistance. I'll connect it from here to here. Make sure the plus mark is on the circle of the component. Okay, so then you can draw the wire and take it to the next wire, and I will from here I'll take it to the next option. Okay, so I built a very small circuit now. Every circuit needs a ground, so I can click on this ground symbol here. Because we may also simulate the circuit, so you can take this simulation spice as the ground option and place it anywhere in the negative part of your circuit. Right now, once you have placed the circuit, the first job would generally be to give names for these components. Now by default these names are given here, but in case names are not given, it's called annotation. We can annotate the components. So you can click on tools, can say annotate schematic. Okay, so assume nothing is given. I'll clear current annotation. So you can see as of now it's R question mark, BT question mark. So I can give names to these by clicking annotate schematic and then say click annotate. It'll automatically give the names by itself. Okay, and say entire schematic, all the components in the schematic starts symbol by X position. That is from X0 to X whatever the direction it goes. Increase in that order. If already annotations are given, it will not erase it. If you want to reset it, you can click on this and you can click on all of them and then say annotate. So you can see it become R1, R2, so on and so forth. So now my this circuit has all the components required to annotate it, and the circuit is complete in this sense. That is, I have my schematic built. Right, so that's a basic any schematic you want to build. This is how you the steps are remaining going to be the same. Right. So this is building a schematic annotation. That much is what we have seen in this video. Thank you. And click on it after done.